Welcome, welcome friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. And we are continuing our topic substring. And in the previous video, I have already explained checking membership, comparison between two strings, how to remove spaces from string. In today's lecture, I am going to show how to find substring. Substring, there are four methods that we are use in Python. For forward direction, we use find and index. For backward direction, we use rfind and rindex. So the four methods to find substring. For forward direction, find and index. For backward direction, rfind and rindex will be used. Good. Next. Now start with find. So the find s dot find. S is the variable, find is the to find the substring, and the substring will write here. Return index of first occurrence of the given substring. If it is not available, then we will get -1. Suppose S is equal learning Python is very logical. Learning Python is very logical. Print S find double inverted comma Python. This is the substring. Python is the substring. Python is the substring, and S is the variable. S is the variable. Okay. S dot find. So S dot find Python, and the answer will be 9. How will you find the answer? Okay, I will show you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the Python substring inside the learning Python is very logical, is in the 9th position, is starting from the 9th position. So the answer will give you, the answer will be 9. Print s dot find Java. This Java substring is not present in learning Python, is very logical. So what will be the answer? It will be -1. It will be -1. It will be -1. See, the output will be -1. Print s dot find r, and the answer will be 3. Why? If you count from the first of the string, then we will get 0, 1, 2, 3. In the 3 position, we will get r. Print s dot rfind r. Okay, rfind r. So we will find it is in the 21 position. Next start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The next start will be in the 21 position. By default, find method can search total string. We can also specify the boundary to search like this way. S find substring begin and end. It will always search from begin index to end -1 index. Very good. The variable is S, and we have to store the string Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar inside the string S. Print s dot find a, and we will get the answer that will be 1, 0, 1. If the starting value is 0, it is 1. In the 1 position we will get a. Print s dot find a comma 7 to 15. That means a is the substring. We have to find from 7 to 15, within 7 to 15 range. 7 is the beginning range, 15 is the end range. So we will find 0 because there is no a is present between 7 and 15. Good. Print s dot find age substring, and the substring should be starting with the single inverted comma and end with single inverted comma and end with single inverted comma. Within the course single inverted comma starting, ending with single inverted comma. This is the substring, and this is 7, 15. This is the beginning value, this is the end value. Okay, and 7 to 15 we can see 11. In the 11th position we will get age. So let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, in the 11th position you will get age. So friends, for today I have only discussed the find function of the substring. There are 4 methods. I have only discussed the find method. Okay, find method. In our next class we will discuss other functions such as index, rfind. For then I have to say goodbye, and before saying goodbye I should say that please subscribe my channel, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and if you miss any video regarding Python, Java, C language, then you can click the I button link and you will get all the descriptions. You will all get all the videos regarding Python, Java and C. For next class, thank you friends, goodbye, bye bye.